I will be like this to do forward, backward. Now what I will do is to change to the other side. So always the leg that is doing the forward, backward is closer to me. You can do it in mirror with me. And I change. Change again. Keep in mind to make your torso long. Other side. One more time. One more change. Now I will change the pace. Here, slowing it down. Quick, quick, slow, slow it down. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow, slow down here.
De 6 a 7 te esperé y no sé por qué no habrás venido, yo no sé por qué.
Good. Now I will do it in this position, so you copy me from the back. And now here you slow down, other side. See that the slow down is also a way to soften your change of weight. And I am not collecting because I am following now and the leader catch this foot. So that foot is in between this foot and this foot, so it's stuck there. But I can collect here when I pass. This step I am doing it straight backward. Straight backward. This one is a side step. This one is a backward step. And now this side step, I am making it more circular. Some way like if we were working already along with chair. Good. Let's come back now to quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. 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 Again, slow. Here, quick, quick, slow, and again, slow. And quick, quick, slow, and again, slow. Very good.
So, one detail for the quick, quick. So, when I go quick, quick, slow. So if I touch my foot, it has to be quick, quick, slow. So this foot will touch this foot on the first quick. Quick, quick, slow. So you will have time. because I see sometimes we struggle with the timing there. So it's quick, quick, slow. That will make it easier for you.
The leader in that element, even the followers can see what the leader is doing. If in the last way we were leading, that's what I am making the follower do. See, she went back and side, and here is a stop when we slow her down. Now I will do it in a way that you can copy me from my back. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Again, quick, quick, slow, slow. One more time. Forward, cross behind, side, and stop your partner with your right foot. One more time. Forward, cross behind, side step, stop your partner. Again, with the rhythm, quick, quick, slow, slow. One more time. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Now, we did also with the follower doing quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. In that case, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. In that repetition with the quick, quick, slow, we will be rotating. In the one that we do with the slow here, we can remain in the same position because here you see I am starting all over again. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Ask your partner to go slow over your phone or remove it. What we will practice today at the end in the pattern we are going to put together, we are going to make the follower go over the foot like we did on Monday. And again, quick, quick, slow, slow.
So as Marcelo said, my right foot goes back, the left one side, and it's the right foot here that is caught. And when I feel this touch here, I slow down.
I see.
Then I go to the foot.
I see.
So here, I feel the touch, I slow down, I collect, and I go over. Here touches, so I don't need to see it. I feel when his foot is touching my foot.
Right, got it.
And then I collect.
Got it.
And go over.
Okay.
Great.